Hi friend, I Altaf Malik and you are watching AM WWTV English. I speak broken English and Professor Shamas speaks very good English. Right now we will discuss how we can improve our English speaking skills.
देखिए one teacher of mine, she used to tell that until you love English, it is not possible for you to know to learn English.
Okay, very nice.
So people should love English, and it is sometimes I feel very astonished that from net, from computer,
Yeah.
you can get every knowledge, each and everything thing, but the language of net internet is English.
Sometimes we have vocabulary in mind, but we cannot put that vocabulary into words in proper way.
Because there is no platform for spoken English, to improve your spoken English.
Yes.
You see, I saw in so many institutions, in English classes, even in MA English classes,
They cannot speak English.
teachers speak Urdu.
Yeah.
So how is it possible for the student to learn English, to improve their language?
If English subject is included in the subject, then they should speak in English language. A lecture should be in English language. All other talkings should be in English.
Yes. Especially English subjects. Whenever you are teaching English subject,
Yeah.
throughout the whole period, you should speak English.
Okay.
Whether it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter. There are so many people who know grammatical rules and regulation, but they can't speak because of lack of practice.
Okay. If we speak like I am speaking the broken English, I have the vocabulary, but as I already told you that I cannot put the vocabulary into words.
Yeah.
If someone speak broken English, wrong English, but the other person is understanding, then it is good.
No. Actually, the matter is that there is a platform where you can improve your language.
Okay. There should be the friends with whom we can speak.
You should several friends, and you should fix a time, half an hour, 1 hour, and you go outside and you mutually speak English.
Yeah.
And you don't care about whether it is right or wrong. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And I generally, whenever I deliver a lecture to the students, to teachers, I tell them that it is best way to improve your English to speak English with juniors, with the students, because you don't have any fear that you are speaking wrong.
Oh, wrong. How did you improve your English?
For a long time, I worked with Britishers, Americans in Islamabad,
Yeah.
and I formed an organization. Its name was House of Fellowship. One Birmingham, from Birmingham on Britisher, and he was very good man, and he stayed here for 5-6 years, and I worked with them, and I formed an organization, House of Fellowship. I trained the people, trained the students, etc., and so many projects I ran. And that is why with the association of English people, I learnt English.
Sometimes when we listen the news on news channels of foreign countries such as American and British, the accent is different, and we feel difficulty in understanding due to the accent. If they speak in our accent, we can understand easily, but their accent is sometimes different. So how can we solve this problem?
Accent will be developed when you will know all grammatical rules and regulations, and then slowly. Accent, it is very difficult to adopt the British accent, the American accent when some Pakistani is speaking English. It is very difficult. You can't, but it should be very close to the accent of Britishers or Americans.
Yes, because so many people of this area are living in
Britain. It is an exercise for a long time. For patience, you must have patience, and you must keep in view that English is an international language, and every knowledge about everything you can get through internet, and the language of internet is English.
everything is in English. If you go to Facebook,
Yes,
most of
yes,
stuff is
yes,
in English
yes,
language. In YouTube, most of stuff in English language. So English is an international language, and it is very necessary for someone who want to progress a lot to know the English language.
Teachers are mostly responsible for this, because if teachers speak English with students, whether right or wrong, it does not matter, let them talk to
Talk.
you in English, and in this way English will be improved. But teachers themselves, even
They speak the wrong
in
English.
APS has several schools I visited, when the teachers are gathered, they speak Pahari. You see,
Yeah.
they should speak English. So in this way, other people, other students, other teachers, they will follow you.
Okay, okay.
But they don't speak English. This is the main thing. Teachers are responsible, because as I told you before that in private sector, all relatives are adjusted in school. In public sector, all political appointments are done. So that is the main reason about.
No good criteria.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Friends, in next video we will talk on other subjects with Professor Shamas. He is Professor Shamas and I, Altaf Malik. Give us permission. Bye bye. Thank you.